Arison Lashes.
Welcome to Arison Lashes channel. I'm Athena. In this lash fanning series, we'll share 9 fanning methods and 3 variations for a total of at least 12 techniques. This second episode covers the other 6 fanning methods: wiggle method, rub method, shimmy method, dot sticker method, flower bouquet method, and tape method. Let's get started. We're starting with the wiggle method. It is a very fast way to create light volume fans. This method is a bit tricky, but once you master it, you can grab and lift a fan directly from a lash strip, which is super fast. Grab the number of lashes you want, pull the bundle to the right, release the grip slightly from the supporting finger while pushing the lashes to the left. Lift the fan. Let's see another example. If you find the wiggle method too difficult to master, the rub method is a simpler alternative. Grab the number of lashes you want, pull lashes to the right, then press onto the adhesive-free area of the strip. Rub the lashes to the left with the tweezer tip until they fan out. Lift the fan once the tweezers are perpendicular to it. Let's look at another example. Let's watch another one in slower motion. Shimmy method works best to create even volume fans. It creates consistent fans quicker than traditional pinch or roll methods. The wiggle naturally separates each lash, forming a more symmetrical fan. Shimmy method also allows you to adjust motion to control fan width and density. I'm using Arison's horizontal fiber tip tweezers. Their unique horizontal fibers allow lashes to slide smoothly while keeping a strong grip, perfect for hand-making volume fans. Grab some lashes. Hold gently, don't clamp too hard. Wiggle slightly back and forth to spread lashes into a fan. Tighten tweezers and lift the fan off the strip. Dip the base into lash glue. Tips: control and adjust the fan's width by shimmy intensity. Shimmy a bit more outwards for a wider fan. Shimmy slightly for a narrower fan. Sticky dot is a popular tool that pro lash techs use to speed up fan making. The sticky dot fanning method is simple and fast, allows easy control of fan width, and creates lash fans with pointy bases and the shortest base length. Here is the tutorial. Pick up a few lashes with your tweezers. Make sure to grip them closer to the base, as this will make the next step easier. Poke the unopened lash fan into the detached sticky dot at an angle, and the lashes will fan automatically. Adjust the width, then pick the fan up. You get an even fan with a pointy base. Let's check out 2 more examples while highlighting some key tips. Tip 1. If your sticky dot is too sticky, detack them first. Tip 2. This method works best for stiffer and thicker lashes, such as 0.07 millimeters and up. Because too fine or soft lashes won't be able to pierce into the sticky dot. These are 0.03 millimeter lashes, very thin and soft. See that? They're too soft. The bases flatten easily with just a light press. The flower bouquet method uses both surface tension and capillary action to naturally fan lashes during glue dipping. Brush through the lashes first. This step separates the bases and fluffs the tips to ensure the glue can pull lashes into a fan. Pick some lashes from the middle and lift them. You can shimmy the lashes before lifting them. The lash bases should be separated rather than clumped. Keep the base at a 90-degree angle and dip it into lash glue. Lean the base against the edge of the well to bundle it. Slightly release the tweezer's pressure and lashes will fan out. Let's check out 2 more examples while highlighting some key tips. 1. You can shimmy the lashes before lifting them. This helps lashes to fan out. 2. Don't release the tweezer's pressure too early or too much. Releasing too early will cause the base to scatter, making it hard to dip into glue. Releasing too much will prevent the lashes from sliding laterally between the tweezers to fan out. The last method is the tape method. Wrap a strip of PE tape around the pad of your left index finger. Grab a bunch of lashes, then wedge the base between the edge of tape and your finger pad to secure them in place. Adjust the lashes with tweezers to form a fan. Once shaped, grab the fan and take it out. This method is very easy to master, as long as you keep the following tips in mind. 1. Do not wrap the tape too tightly, leave a little space to wedge the base in. 2. When grabbing the lashes, grip them as close to the base as possible to make it easier to wedge them into the gap. That's it for today's video. We've now covered all 12 lash fanning methods across this 2-part tutorial series. Which method would you like to see explained in more detail? Or do you have other fanning techniques you'd like us to cover? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Arison Lash's video. We'll see you soon.